Linking Teachers with Technology. Welcome to a video with Madame McDonald.
I have a cell, A1, that has a lot of writing in it. And what I would like to do is merge A1 all the way over to G1, so it just becomes one cell. And how I do that is I just click and I can select by dragging my mouse along to G1, or I can click and push the Shift button and just click over to G1. And now I've selected all of these cells that I would like to merge into one. And where I find the merge button is all the way at the top here, where it looks like where there's two arrows pointing at each other. And it actually says the word merge cells. So I'm going to click on merge cells. And now I have this cell, which includes A1, B1, C1, D1, E1, and F1. And it all includes the same the same characters in it.
Merci beaucoup. Thanks for watching.